my channel. If you are new, welcome as well. So today we are going to be barefaced throughout the video. Oh my god, I must stop touching my face. Stop touching my face. One thing that you must not do, you're not supposed to touch your skin because you'll be transferring bacteria to your skin and stuff, but anyways, I'm used to that. This is a video on the update of using the benzoyl peroxide, if that is correct. Chemistry has left the chat here. As I said on my acne, at my haul that I did for my face products, that this year I suffered a lot in terms of breakout. So what happened is my face was full of junk. It was, I had pimples. My face was super painful, y'all. Like, I've never felt like that in my life. Have you ever even like tried to bath with water and it gets hella painful? When your face feels like you used on your face, like when you just try to like help it with cleaning a little bit with water and it just becomes hella painful. So the first thing that I do on a normal day is so I use this product is to go in with a wash, which is the Benzac AC wash 5C. It's 5%. I use this product, I just put a tiny bit and then start rubbing my face with it. Like first day day one, my face was still painful. One thing that I'm gonna tell you guys, let me be honest with you, never use this product on cracked face. I swear it's painful. Like, kill me now. This AC wash, it doesn't smell like anything at all. That means I'm assuming it doesn't have scent or anything of such added. So that is why it smells like nothing, like medicine in a way. It's super gentle on skin, so I would just use that and rub on my skin. Just side note is that it can be drying, like it can be drying, especially when your skin is super fragile at that moment. Trust me, it's not gonna end well. You're just gonna feel cracked. Fine. Like I was then after washing my face with this, I use the Benzac AC gel, which is this baby right here, and this one is the gel. It's also 5%. All the products that I'm going to show you today, it's 5%. And what I do is I do not, guys, this is what I know. Some people say you must just take the gel and put on the pimples themselves, but I was like, you know, I want to heal my face, all of it. I just want to heal my face. So what I do is actually just apply this as moisturizer. I would apply on my face. So here's what happened day one. When I applied, I let it dry and I was white, like my face was white. I was like, well, why are you doing this to me? Fine. So after that, well, this was day one. I'm just gonna tell you how I learned to work around this product as I go. After that, I go in with this Benzac AC excess oil moisturizer. This one, it said, is for oily to combination skin. When I applied it day one, because my skin was super still fragile and it was drying, like my skin had never been dehydrated like that. I don't know if it's called that, if I was just dehydrated or I was just dry, guys. Like my face has never been dry before. So when I applied this product, actually my face was still super dry. Like I couldn't handle the dryness, more especially because I was working outside. Within day two, I think I started drying, guys. I started flaking. I feel like I was getting new skin. And when I checked, some people call it purging or something like that. It started somewhere here. I started flaking. Like when I did this, skin fell off. I think that is another reason why my skin lightened a little bit, because I feel like this product it gave me a little bit of new layer of skin. I don't know, my mouth area was super dry, and when I smiled, it felt like I was faking it. You see that electric smile that people tend to do, which I don't understand why, but anyways, then I realized that my face was super dry, and then I went on and this was already on the thingy. I was not using this at first, and then I decided to actually start using it, the Hydro Boost City Shield Hydrating Lotion, which has an SPF of 25. It's by Neutrogena, and I was so excited to actually have a moisturizer that has SPF in it. Again, I saw the hydration part and I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna be hydrated. And then after applying this, it was okay. My face was a little bit better, although I could feel drying. I feel like my dryness was just internal. I felt so dry inside and I was like, I don't know what to do. But anyways, I kept on reapplying. I was using this with the SPF. Where is it? Let me look for it. So I would usually use it with the Dermopal SPF thingy moisturizing cream, or I would actually go in with this Sun Protect SPF 30. I know it's like I should, like, now guys, I just go all in with the highest SPF now, but there's still more, so I can't throw things away. It still protects me from the sun, so you want to always make sure, guys, you protect yourself from the sun. Okay, then after a week I started to see the difference. My skin was actually starting to lighten a little bit. I don't know why my skin was becoming lighter and my spots became a little bit dark. I have no idea why. So I was like, you know what, let's try to do this again. So I was using this product to wash my face and then apply this on my face, and then immediately, guys, so I never let my face dry and quickly go in with this baby. Before it even dries, I would actually go in with the moisturizer, and before the moisturizer quickly dries, because I didn't want to play with any dryness on my face anymore. Never. I decided to introduce this. I didn't want to mix products, more especially because my skin was super fragile, and because this was super drying on my skin, I decided to introduce this baby right here. This is the moisturizer by Cetaphil, which is the acne prone skin moisturizer, and I swear that is when my face said, now you're talking, sis. Now you are talking. Now you are introducing moisture to my skin. Okay, then that is when my skin felt moisturized. And then that's when I dished this baby. I dished it. I just apply it here now. I feel like it works better now that my skin has healed. This baby set me free. It set me free. Now I could actually feel my face getting moisturized. So after a week or so, my skin was healed. Like, I was just using this product gentle as possible, and I was using them morning and night, guys. So I was washing my face morning and night, and when my face was super sensitive, I would wash my face in the morning with water only, and then during the night, that's when I would go with this. That is when my face was super sensitive. But now that my face is healed, I go all in. I use this babies and, you know, moisturize with this, and then after I go with sunscreen. Okay, so one question that one can ask is, have you ever had pimples since the use of this product? Yes, here and there, guys. They're not super intense, like they don't come out a lot. Now it's just like 1 or 2 like in a week. So if I have pimples, I go in with this baby right here. Although my pimples don't last a day, they don't last 2 days, more especially since I've started using the benzoyl peroxide. I help the benzyl what with this Pond's pimple cream. Oh, this is the pimple clear cream that targets pimples. So this one I specifically just dot it on my pimple itself, and the following day it's dried down. It's not even painful. So far I've been doing great in terms of pimples. I do not have painful pimples at all. If they do come out, I just get surprised on the mirror. I'm like, oh hi, hello, you are there, and then I'm like, pimple cream, and then the next thing is dry. And yeah, so now that I am actually free from that, the problem is, how do I remove the scars? So now I want to start another journey of removing the scars now that I've fought the acne itself. So I am looking for ways to remove scars. So one thing you would ask is, how do you use this product when you are wearing makeup? I go in with this Flawless Radiance micellar water, and it works really wonders. It removes makeup. And if I cannot get hold of this, because guys, I tend to lose my products a lot, I actually use the magnolia oil. I just take a little bit and start massaging my face with that, and then after I just rinse off. Then after that, when I'm done, right, you want to make sure you're gentle with your face, especially when you're removing makeup. I learned this the hardest. I went on and introduced this baby right here, which is the Garnier Skincare Pure Active 3-in-1 Charcoal Anti-Plaquette. So it's a wash, a scrub, and a mask. I do not do physical exfoliates at all, because after what my face was like when it was super painful, I didn't want anything on my face, so I decided not to use this as a scrub. So I rather use this as a mask. Okay, so after I'm done with removing makeup, I go with water to make sure that everything is clean, and then I go in with the AC wash and wash my face to make sure that all the makeup is removed. And then when I'm done, I go in with the Garnier Pure Active. This baby is working wonders for me, more especially even when I'm not wearing makeup, like at my days where a week goes on without applying this product, without applying makeup on my face. So I tend to use this, let me be honest, 4 times a week, if not 5. I don't know, you must just use them 2 or 3 times a week for your face to be safe until you're used to it. I think I've just gotten used to this. So this is my holy grail. And then after that, when I'm done with this, I go on with the process that I just told you guys about. Now that everything now is good, is smooth, this is how my face is looking. Let me zoom you guys in. So my forehead is a little bit lighter. I have a lot of scars, but there's just smooth. Look, I have a smooth skin. So far, I do not have any problem with dryness. I don't have a problem with pain. I don't have any problem with anything except for my scars. So if you have any suggestion on how to remove the scars that I have right here, please do help a sister out. Please do leave a comment down below and tell me please how to remove the scars, and I will take on a journey. You will see. So after you guys have suggested that, and after I've done my research about how to remove scars, I'm gonna come back, guys, and give you my update on my skin. So far I think my skin is glowing, although like just remove the scars and just think about it. Remove the scars and look at me without the scars. Like, tell me how my face is doing. I think it's doing great. Like, I feel like it's glowing, it's doing all right, it's doing okay. But anyways, that is it from this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment, and don't forget that I upload every Tuesday and every Friday when there's no load shedding, or when we don't have any technical issues, or when YouTube didn't decide to upload my videos within 57 hours. Well, yes, it has happened before. I've uploaded a video for 77 hours. But anyways, that is it from me. Thank you so much, you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.